The Super Kitties and the Cat Tree Caper. Out of that nice little cubby and say hello to the lights. These eyes will not be blinded by the lights. Maggie, whoa, whoa. Oh, I got scratched.
Before they just put it in a museum, it'd be another rock collecting dust.
But then it would have given you your fortune and glory.
Anything could happen. It's a long way to Delhi.
Bitsy. Time to get out of the nice little warm cubby and say hello to the lights. No, lights don't off. You've had enough sleep. Let me see. It is morning. Let me come out. Let's go eat breakfast. Today's breakfast is gonna be gravy. This is gonna be so delicious. Here you go, kitty. Hey, there's nothing in there. Oh no, someone must have stolen it. Oh no. Wait, this is not good. Amara usually puts the treats in and then we eat it up. This can't be good. This can't be good.
Kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat. Let's see who needs our help. Kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat.
It's the Super Kitty call. Let's see who needs our help. Super Kitties, we've got a big problem. Someone stole all our food. Just like what happened to ours. Don't worry, Speck. Don't worry, others. Don't worry, Speck and the others. We're coming. Someone must have stolen their food. Pause it, Super Kitties. Woohoo! We saved the food. Yay! Now it's time to get in the nice warm cubby and turn out the lights. Kitties, wake up. I think the Easter Bunny came. He did come. We got Kit Kats, our favorite dessert, a jump rope. We got Krabby Patties. Happy